Hello everyone, welcome back. I have a quick question for you guys. If one water bottle costs 44 rupees, then how much for four? Time's up. So if you hesitated, then don't worry. In this video, together, we will do everyday money calculations. So without wasting time any further, let's do some math. So let's quickly jump to the questions now. Let's see. We have some practice questions. So I suggest if this is relevant to you, please bring a pen and paper, and you can practice along. So we can together practice, and that's how it will be helpful to you. Question number 1, it says Ali and Ben receives a sum of money. They share it in the ratio 5:1. Ali receives $2345. Calculate the total amount. So first of all, let's check. What is Ali's ratio? Ali's portion or part is 5 out of 6 multiplied by the total amount, and he receives $2345. So the total amount will be 2345 multiplied by 6 divided by 5. So let's check. 2345 multiplied by 6 divided by 5, and the answer is $2814. $2814. So this is the total amount. Let's check another question. Question number 2, it says Sam invests $600 at a rate of 2% per year of simple interest. Calculate the interest Sam earns in 8 years. So this is your principal amount, this is the rate of interest, and the time period is 8 years. So let's check. If you have to find the interest at simple interest, so that is SI equals to P into R into T upon 100. Principal amount is 600, rate of interest is 2, time period is 8 years, divided by 100, 0, 0, 0, 0 cancel out. So now you have 6 into 2 into 12, 6 into 2 into 8, total 96. So $96 is the interest amount. It says calculate the interest only and not the total amount. So interest is 96. Let's jump to question number 3 now. It says Jake invests $750 at a rate of 2.5% per year simple interest. Calculate the total amount that Jake has after 5 years. So this is your principal, this is your rate of interest, and this is the time period, and we have to find the amount. So first of all, amount is principal plus interest. So first we have to calculate the interest because we don't have the interest amount here. So interest at simple interest, so SI will be P into R into T upon 100. So P is 750, rate of interest is 2.5, time period is 5 years, whole divided by 100. So we'll quickly do this calculation. So 750 multiplied by 2.5 multiplied by 5 divided by 100, and that is 93.75. This is the simple interest. So amount is going to be the principal amount, that is 750 plus 93.75, and that is going to be this plus 750, which is 843.75. $843.75. That's the final amount. Let's move on to the next question now. Question number 4. It says Anna, Bobby and Carl receives a sum of money. They share it in the ratio 12:7:8. Anna receives $504. Calculate the total amount. So we have to calculate the total amount. So what's the portion for Anna? Anna receives 504. It's 12 portions or 12 parts. So 12 parts out of how many? The total is 12 plus 7 plus 8, so that is 27. So 12 out of 27 of the total is equals to 504. We have to find the total. So total is 504 multiplied by 27 divided by 12. Let's do this calculation. We'll get the total amount. So 504 multiplied by 27 divided by 12, and the answer is 1134. So $1134 is the total amount. Now it says Anna uses 7% of her 504 to pay a bill. calculate how much she has left. So basically 504 minus 7% of 504. So we can do this calculation and we'll get the answer. So that is 504 minus, inside the bracket, 7 out of 100 multiplied by 504, bracket close, and the answer is $468.72. So this is the answer. Let's move on to question number 5 now. It says, on Monday, Alex earned $120. She worked for 8 hours. Work out Alex's hourly rate of pay. So hourly rate of pay, she earned 120 and she worked for 8 hours. So hourly rate of pay will be $120 divided by 8, and that's how we will get the answer. So let's check. 460, and this is going to be 30, and then 2, that's 15. So hourly she is making $15. Let's move on to part B now. It says, on Monday, Alex earned 120 pounds. On Tuesday, she earned 100 pounds. Alex earned the same amount of money on Wednesday, on Thursday, and on Friday. She earned a total of 550 for these 5 days. How much did Alex earn on Wednesday? So let's check. So first of all, she earned 120 on Monday, plus Tuesday she earned 100. Then it says Alex earned the same amount on money on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. Same amount. Let's say that same amount is X. So basically plus 3X, and that's equals to sum of all these 5 days should be 550. So let's check. We can do 3X is equals to 550 minus 120 plus 100, that is 220. So 3X will be 550 minus 220, that is going to be 330, and then X is equals to 330 divided by 3. So 3 ones are 3, 3 1 1 0. So X is 110. So 110 pounds is the answer for Wednesday, and not only for Wednesday, because she earned the same amount on Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday. So each day she earned 110 pounds. That's the answer. Let's move on to question number 6 now. You can pause the video and you can try this question, and let's check how many of us get the correct answer. Question number 6, it says, Ryan and Carl each get paid a basic pay of 60 pounds per day. One day Ryan also get a discount of 20 bonus, not discount, bonus of 25% of his basic pay, which is $60 per day. Carl also get 20 pounds in tips from the customers. Work out the difference between the total amount of money that Ryan and Carl each get. Okay, so let's check. In case of Ryan is getting $60 plus additional 25%. So that is 25% of 60. So this is going to be 60 plus 25 over 100 multiplied by 60, bracket close, and the answer is 75. And Carl is getting 60 plus additional 20, that is 70 pounds. Let's just work out the difference between the total amount of money that Ryan and Carl gets. So the difference is 75 minus 70, that's 5 pounds, and that's the answer. I hope you all get the same answer. With this, we are done with the questions. If this was helpful to you, do share it with your friends so that they also start studying. With this, we are done with the video. That's all for today's session. Bye everyone.